Hello everyone, welcome back to Yogi PC Tube. Windows 10 officially reached its end of support on October 14, 2025. This means your PC is no longer receiving security updates, and over time it can become unsafe to use, especially for browsing, online payments, and daily work. But the good news is, you don't have to stop using Windows 10. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade your existing Windows 10 Home or Pro system to Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021, which receives security updates until January 13, 2032. This method keeps all your files, installed applications, and settings exactly the same. There is no reinstall and no data loss. Let's begin. First, we need to make one small registry change. This allows Windows to accept the IoT Enterprise LTSC installer and perform an in-place upgrade. Click the Start button and type regedit. Open Registry Editor. Navigate to the following path: HKEY_LOCAL_MACHINE Software, Microsoft Windows NT, current version. On the right side, find the entry named Edition ID. Double-click it. You will see the value set to Home or Professional, depending on your current Windows version. Change the value to IoT Enterprise S. Make sure you type it exactly as shown, including capital letters. Click OK and close the registry editor. Do not restart your computer. Now we will download the Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021 ISO file. Open your browser and search for Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. Open the archive.org page for this version. Click the ISO image download link. The file size is around 4.5 gigabytes, so wait for the download to finish. Once the ISO file is downloaded, go to the folder where it is saved. Right-click the ISO file and select Mount. Windows will create a virtual DVD drive and open it automatically. Inside the drive, double-click the file named setup.exe. When Windows asks whether you want to download updates, select Not right now. The setup will check your system. After the checks are complete, you will see the edition that will be installed. It should say Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021. Below that, you will see a confirmation that your personal files and apps will be kept. Click Install. Your PC will now begin the upgrade process. The screen will turn blue and the system will restart several times. This is normal. Do not interrupt the process. When the upgrade is finished, you will return to your desktop exactly as before. All your files, apps, and settings will still be there. To confirm the upgrade, open Settings. Go to System, then About. You should see Windows 10 IoT Enterprise LTSC 2021 listed as your edition. Your system may show as not activated after the upgrade. This is normal because the IoT LTSC edition uses a different license type. You can activate it using a valid IoT LTSC product key or other official and legal methods available online. I will not demonstrate or recommend any activation method in this video. Once activated, your system will continue receiving security updates until January 13, 2032. That means your Windows 10 PC will remain secure and supported for many more years. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Yogi PC Tube.